Buro. And this is itlog na maalat from Pateros. And this is fried fish, tilapia. This is my first time. This is my first time trying buro. Can you say it? This is my first time trying buro. My boyfriend said that it actually came from Nueva Ecija. But
What I dying?
This is buro mahal. Can you say buro? Can you say hi?
Hi for buro.
No, say hi to the camera.
Hi Kamaya.
Hi camera.
Hi Kamala. Hi Kamala.
So he said that I should have the plain rice, but I don't want plain rice. I want to try it with veggies instead. So I have here kalabasa. My niece is mimicking me. And then, so I have the buro, right? The buro. I have the kalabasa. And I have the itlog na maalat. Yes, itlog na maalat. And then the fried fish.
Mama, maliligo muna.
Tilapia.
Maliligo.
Let's try it.
Mamaya maliligo muna tayo.
Let me drink water first.
Hala. Sige.
Bon appetit.
Patay na. Ang bagal na ang buhay. Putas. Wait lang anak, ano lang ako ng sinendaya.
Yung buro, I think it's best na maging sausawan ng or na maging partner ng mga ganito gulay. Tawag dun steam veggies. Tapos you just have to make sure that you have something salty to complement. Masarap siya. Yung buro is maasim. So, yan. Ganito yan, oh. May kanin yan. I saw sibuyas as well. I don't know what else is in here.
Andoy, bilisan mo!
But if you're going to, like, smell it, maasim.